Respected President, Honorable Chief Guest and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. तू शाही है परवाज है काम तेरा, तू शाही है परवाज है काम तेरा, तेरे सामने आसमां और भी हैं. Shaheen is a large and strongly built bird of prey, and Iqbal employs it as an emblem of the youth of Pakistan. He believed that, just like a sky-aspiring Shaheen, the youth of Pakistan are destined to reach the soaring levels of excellence. Shaheen flies high, and so is the potential in a young Pakistani. According to Iqbal, this is our innate quality. It's in the blood of our nation. As famously quoted by Thomas Edison, many of life's failures are people who didn't realize how close they were to success when they gave up. In the midst of corruption, unemployment and energy crisis, this country has produced world achievers like Ali Moin-Wazish and Arfa Karim. They are Iqbal's Shaheens. It goes without saying that the journeys of these Shaheens couldn't have been a bed of roses. However, with hard work, intellect and perseverance, they became sky-aspiring world achievers in their fields. Just like a vigilant sharp-sighted Shaheen, Iqbal wants the youth of Pakistan to have an observant eye. If there is one country in the world which generates interest in the remotest parts of the world, it's Pakistan. Be it sports, be it education, be it politics, or be it culture. People all over the world get fascinated by our land and our people. Iqbal considers the youth of Pakistan as mavericks who can lead the world as free thinkers. Shaheen is bohemian, and Iqbal wants the Pakistani Shaheen just like him. Shaheen doesn't make an nest for itself, but is a vagabond living a nomadic life. It suggests its existence for a higher cause. As the youth of Pakistan, our vigilance in forming a unique vision should surpass our personal or individual goals. Shaheen's last state perseverance. Iqbal hopes that the youth of Pakistan should choose and make their own destiny, just like a Shaheen who chooses the best hand without any hesitation. Just like this, our motherland has produced many determined Iqbal Shaheens. For example, M.M. Alam, Naseem Hamid, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, Abdul Sattar Idi, Malala Yousafzai, Dr. Naeem Taj, Shoaib Akhtar, Jahangir Khan, and many more. They all have a quality of falcon. That is perseverance. Iqbal tells the golden rule of life to its Shaheens. मेरा तरीक अमीरी नहीं फकीरी है, मेरा तरीक अमीरी नहीं फकीरी है, खुदी न बेच गरीबी में नाम पैदा कर. थैंक यू.